Let's use our AO abacus as a conceptual understanding for working with the associative property of addition. So here we're working with first grade standard OA3 to apply the property of operation. So again, we're going to go ahead and take 3 6-sided dice, and we are going to work with the associative property, which means that we can add these numbers up in whichever order, and we're still going to get the same outcome. The goal of what I really want students to be able to see is that, bam, right there is a double. 3 plus 3 makes 6. So as we're learning our benchmark strategies, we know 3 plus 3 is a double. So if that's 6, oh, we have another double, double, double. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now let's take that, though, to a more conceptual level. So we have entry point for all of our students who are still at an earlier stage of understanding their doubles. So here we have 3 plus 1, 2, 3 more. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that equals 1, 10, 12. We can write this out for our students. We want to write this out for our students with their thinking of how they added it. 3 plus 3 is what they did first. We're naturally talking about the parentheses. That's what we did first. 3 plus 3 is 6, and then plus 6 more equals 12. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 6 equals 12. And now we can balance it out that 12 equals 12. And here we're actually setting them up for algebra for that understanding. But all we're doing is we're talking through the language of how we're doing it, and we're putting it, recording it on paper for them to create meaning and understanding. All right? Let's go ahead and do one more. And this time we're going to move around the dice, and we're going to show 2 different ways. Oh, we did the same thing. We got a double and a double. Well, that's great. I want students to be able to see that. 1 plus 1, that's what we're going to add first. 1 plus 1. Here is a natural way to talk about doubles, plus 2 more. We can show that on our abacus. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 more equals 4. We can also move the dice around to say, if I move the dice around, will I still get 4? So here we have 2 plus 1. That's what we did first. And then we added the 1. We have a neighbor number right there. 2 and 1 plus 1 more. And students can see conceptually that we still get 4 for both of these. And we also gave ourselves an opportunity to talk about 2 benchmark strategies, doubles and next door numbers, plus 1, which is neighbor numbers. All right, enjoy.